Transport CS Davis Chirchir details timeline of helicopter crash that killed MP Ngeno and 5 others. According to CS Chirchir, the ill-fated helicopter registration 5Y DSB departed from Entebbe at 15:43 on the day of the accident. The aircraft made an emergency landing in Tabolwa at 16:20, briefly stayed on the ground and took off again at 16:25. Tragically, the helicopter disappeared from radar just 1 minute later at 16:26, moments before the fatal crash. CS Chirchir confirmed that investigations into the cause of the crash are ongoing. We are committed to determining the sequence of events and technical factors that led to this tragedy, he said, noting that authorities are working closely with aviation experts to ensure a thorough examination. He added that the International Civil Aviation Organization ICAO report is expected within 30 days and will provide an authoritative assessment of the crash, including possible mechanical failures, weather conditions, and operational factors. The Transport Ministry is also coordinating with the local law enforcement and aviation agencies to support the families of the victim and prevent similar incidents in the future. EBK Online Updates News. Subscribe for more information.